Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. We are going to test carbon racing fender extender. So I have been receiving a lot of requests to review it, not just to unbox it or to install it. So I'm going to review it. I'm trying to review it. I don't know how will be the outcome of this video, but you can see down below I have attached a camera there. तो अभी आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि बारिश का मौसम चालू हो गया है और ये मड फ्लैप टेस्ट करने के लिए बहुत ही बढ़िया चांस है. तो आप नीचे देख सकते हैं कि हाउ कार्बन रेसिंग मड फ्लैप इज़ वर्किंग. इज़ इट इफेक्टिव और नॉट? आई हैव स्टिक्ड इट विथ 3M tape. I have not used any kind of bolts, nuts, so I have sticked it with 3M tape. So let us check how it performs. As you can see, the fender extender is attached with 3M tape and it is holding firmly to the existing fender. I don't think there is any requirement of nuts and bolts, and I'm going to ride my bike in heavy rain as well to show you if it works perfectly or not. So keep watching this video till end. So now I am riding this bike on a high speed as well. So you can see I am on a high speed, that is around 50 to 60 kilometers per hour. That is not a very high speed, but in rainy seasons we usually ride 50 to 60 or between 70 to 80, not more than that. So this fender extender will protect from mud till some extent, better than nothing. But yes, you will find that there is no mud or water splashes on above the engine guard or the leg guard. So I have ridden my bike in heavy rain as well. As you can see, here starts the heavy rain. So now I will ride my bike in water clogging areas as well. So keep watching to see how it performs in heavy rain as well as in water clogging areas. So I have ridden it in water clogging areas to check whether it falls down because it is just stuck with 3M Automotive Standard tape, and whether it is effective or not. So you can see a lot of water splashes right now. So you'll see big splashes of water in the video as well. So keep watching this video, and I have shared more information on the rear mud flap as well. So keep watching this video. So if you are on this channel for the first time, so please subscribe to my channel, like and hit the share button, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that I will get encouraged to create more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching. flap also I have stuck it with a 3M tape, and this seems to be working absolutely fine, and there is no mud or water going inside these sensors, and the purpose is fulfilled. So you can see mud here but not the inside.